Hello, my name is C.Horvath. I'm in EDCI 270, and today I'm going to be talking about OneNote and how I basically use it. So I use OneNote because it's free to Purdue University students, and it's really just easy to use, in my opinion. I have multiple notebooks within my OneNote. I have basically a notebook for each one of my different classes. An example of my notes would have been for my Hort class. So I'm going to be clicking on open. Well, actually, I'm going to go to my chem stuff. So this is my Chem 111 notes. I have all kinds of notes within this document. It is very well organized about different things. You can tell the different sections I have within my notes. And I'm actually going to be opening up my EDCI notebook because I have some documents over animal things. I have some course thing notes that I haven't yet written down, but I also have some basic notes for a cow's anatomy, which is going to be helping me with my final project. I have clipped this article from this website, animalcorner.co.uk, and I used my snipping tool to use it, and I've snipped this part of an article, talked about the different types of stomachs within the cow, well, the one stomach with 4 parts, and I wrote down some important notes that I have found throughout this article, and I have highlighted it using the draw button with the highlighters, and I've highlighted some important information that is important to my course theme.